Say what you will about Apple and Google and everybody else who makes disposable phones, when you buy a higher end phone, usually what you're buying is longevity. I ran my iPhone 6s Plus into the ground. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do that with my 11 Pro Max because there's so many more points of failure despite the fact that the thing is not repairable, which is where this comes in. This is the Teracube. It's something completely different. This is something we've been trying to kind of find a spot for a while now. Let's just say it's been buried by more glamorous products. It's not that interesting from a technical standpoint. But I'll tell you what it is. It is, at least purportedly, sustainable. Let's take a look at their website real quick. I have to look at something. There's nothing on this box that tells me what it is aside from a phone. In fact, I don't even think it says that it's a phone. Thank you for making a difference. Nope. That's it. It's a Teracube. You gotta know what that is. Here we go. It's the next evolution of sustainable smartphones. Most smartphones last an average of 2 years or less. I beg to differ, but at the same time, I know people keep them for less than 2 years. They offer a 4-year warranty with this thing, as well as 4 years of support. Teracube phones are engineered and serviced to last up to 4 years and beyond. Serviced. So let's see, game-changing 4-year warranty, which is, well, yeah, a lot because most phones come with like a 1-year warranty in North America. Here's a list of the things that the warranty doesn't cover. Defects or damage resulting from accidents, neglect, misuse, or abnormal use. So this is the Apple Care. This is where that Apple Care thing would come in, the flat fee repairs. Scratches, dents, and cosmetic damage unless caused by Teracube. So if you sent it back for repair and it came back scratched, they would obviously cover that. Defects or damage resulting from excessive force. Ordinary wear and tear, devices that have the serial number removed, defaced or damaged, okay. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, okay, so it's pretty standard stuff. So it's made with 25% recycled polycarbonate, not quite on the level of the Fairphone, but it is still a good thing to have. Oh, it's got a headphone jack, great. That's actually great. Like I sound like I'm not super enthused, but like I've got wired headphones that I can't use with my new phone without a dongle, and that dongle is eventually going to go into the landfill as well, right? So
I didn't even get a dongle with my iPhone 13 Pro.
Yeah, they stopped doing it. With stock Android with 3 years of updates. Okay, cameras, I mean, megapixels don't really matter, so I can't really tell much from this. It's got PIN, fingerprint, okay, face unlock, Wi-Fi, they don't say what Wi-Fi it is. 4G, not 5G, and it's got a USB-C port and a separate micro SD card slot. Okay.
You forgot the best thing.
What is the best thing?
FM radio.
Anyway, so why haven't we looked at this earlier, Jono? Yeah, there's a reason why we're looking at it now. We missed the review cycle on this thing by about 6 months, I think. Maybe 9 months. Might be a baby. Let's get into the box, shall we? Oh. It's very unassuming. Like, the box is entirely, looks like it's entirely cardboard. Again, that's less stuff that's going into the landfill. Looks like it comes with a case. Is that dust or is it? Like, it looks like it's the same color as this, so it looks like it's just dust on it, but it's not. It's kind of interesting. It looks like it's like pre-scuffed. It's like fatigued or stressed jeans.
No, it's actually a biodegradable case. Interesting.
There's a little pack of snack, which you shouldn't eat, but you know, it's what every kid dreams of eating. And that's about it. You got your documentation here, I guess, and whatever this is. Better for your pocket, better for the planet. Where is the charger? What you have in your hand is the world's most minimalistic and eco-friendly smartphone packaging. Made with 50% less materials, recycled paper, soy inks, while eliminating redundant accessories like the charger. You know, the less weight you have to transport, the less volume you have to transport, the less fuel is actually burned per unit that you're transporting. If you need one, you can get one at their website, or literally anywhere. And then we have this. Dear customer, thank you for your support in bringing Teracube 2E to life. Teracube 2E is crafted from 25% recycled plastics. I dropped the card. And the included case is fully biodegradable. If you enjoy Teracube, give us a on your favorite social media and share with your friends and family. They're actually telling you how to open the back. Oh, and it's got a screen protector on it too? Oh, wait, what? The back came off with the case. Like, the back is literally in here. Okay, yeah, it doesn't come off super easily, but easily enough. And there's that battery. It's big and green. And there's the SD card slot right there. Fingerprint sensors there. I don't really see a whole lot else. Where's the SIM card slot? Am I just blind? Oh no, there they are. There's 2 SIM card slots right there that I was looking at, but refused to recognize in any way, shape, or form. So let's just take that peel off. Ooh, there I am. All right, let's get this thing back together and get it booted up. But first, let's talk to you about the reason why we decided to take a look at this far after its release. And that is for Teamseas. Teamseas is a new initiative, kind of like the Team Trees one from Mr. Beast and Mark Rober and us and everybody else who got involved. And it was successful, to put it mildly. And in this case, Teamseas is looking to do the same thing, but for pounds of garbage floating around in the ocean. I don't know if you know this about me, but I've basically lived near the water for my entire life. Like, I've lived basically on a coast. Like, I live here, which is right next to the Pacific Ocean. And I lived in Newfoundland, pretty much near the harbors. And yeah, it would be nice to be able to have that for future generations, and also to still have that for me to go back to. It'll be there, it'll just be like piled up with trash, yeah. And this is designed to really deal with that kind of problem. I don't know if this is an official Teamseas thing or not. This is kind of where the sponsor spot normally goes, but we're gonna go ahead and say, go and donate some money to Teamseas. It's a very worthy cause. Like, there is a massive amount of garbage in the ocean, and it is a massive problem. Like, have you noticed that there's a giant garbage patch floating around in the Pacific Ocean, and it's just kind of like swirling out there like a giant toilet, and there's nowhere for it to go. It's just generally a good thing to clean that up, because it's going to affect marine life. It's going to affect our food chain. Like, there are many people who depend on the ocean for their food, and yeah, it's just a really good cause, and I think that you should probably look into it. Jono tells me there's going to be a link below that you can click and find out all about it. So I guess maybe it is technically a thing that we're doing. Not sponsored. All right, let's shove this battery in, put the back on, see if it powers up.
It feels so weird to see a phone with everything so bad.
Yeah, and I mean, Fairphone was like that too, but it was like kind of chonky, and the back, like, you had to really rip at the back to get it off. This is like kind of like the old school phones, where it's like, yeah, the back just comes off. Teracube. It's pretty bright. It is an IPS display, and also, I mean, yeah, I can see pixels. So if I were holding it up like this and kind of like looking at it, yeah, it doesn't look that bad. Come to think of it, I had like this kind of pixel density with my Galaxy Nexus. What a fitting wallpaper for this. It's not snappy. Then again, it did just boot up, so let's give it a sec. Yeah, it's downloading stuff from Google Play. Let's just give it a minute. Help make Chrome better? No. Google, I don't care about you anymore. I use DuckDuckGo now. I will say the vibration motor, it feels like a cheap phone, a vibration motor. It's not like punchy, it's just like, it's not super smooth, I'll tell you that much. Well, it's 1.8 gigahertz, right, or 1.9? Also, that screen protector feels kind of tacky. Like doing this, like I can feel it like sticking. I don't know if this is Gorilla Glass or any kind of fun glass underneath. Oh, there is an update available. This update was released in May, which should tell you something about how long we've been holding on to this. You know what, I'm gonna log into the Play Store so I can download like Minecraft or something. And now I need verification. Oh wait, somebody clearly logged me in, okay.
Someone just said yes to you?
Yeah. Do we not own Minecraft on this account? What the hell? Why is it... Wait, what? Why does it want me to buy it? It's in my library. I'm not gonna buy Minecraft again. I'll just install Genshin Impact.
Those waifus.
It's got environments. I've never played that game. Surprisingly, this was only 200 megs, so I'm guessing it's gonna need to download more data.
Oh, you actually downloaded Genshin Impact.
What? That frame rate does not look good.
That's all you wanted to see, right? Is that it?
That's all I'm gonna get unless I log in. Let's watch the latest Short Circuit, or we could watch, you know, Crab Rave.
We can also test out the speakers.
That was the idea. Oh look, Crab Rave right there. First history hit. Yeah. YouTube app crashed. That was cool. Starting to regret not getting that update. I don't care. Yes, it was. It sounds pretty crunchy. What?
It crashed again.
I'm gonna install the update. Fine. There it goes. It's 1.5 gigs. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. It'll probably take a little longer to install too. Oh, I want to like this thing, but it's giving me very little reasons to. Okay, cool. Okay, I was gonna say, did the updater just crash? Rule 34. Oh, cool, it just finished. Alright, let's try that again. Crab Champions gameplay. The contrast ratio looks pretty good, even knowing that it's 720p. Thankfully it's 720p that's like RGB IPS. So that means that we're not limited to like pentile resolutions like my Galaxy Nexus was. Okay, it's pretty good at the old Tribble. This is my iPhone. Oh god, it's running. It's playing. I forgot I had it on 2x playback speed. Yeah, it's not even close. I mean, to be clear, this isn't the best I've ever heard a smartphone sound, but this is less than that. Then again, I mean, how much is this thing? I don't actually know. It's $200? All right, that makes it a lot more understandable. Oh yeah, Angry Birds. I was downloading Angry Birds. Let's see if that works. It was smooth until the explosion. Okay, now it's smooth. So I just needed to load that asset, I guess. Let's just quickly see how the waifu simulator works. I mean, it's not so much a waifu simulator as it is a waifu collection, and like a collectathon. It's like a gotta catch 'em all kind of thing. Gotta wife 'em on. Like, I'm not sure if this is, no, this is definitely not pre-rendered. If it is, then that having an inconsistent frame rate is even worse. Let's try the camera. Actually, that doesn't look too terrible. Lol. What's the selfie cam look like? I guess let's try a video and we can get a bit of the microphone as well. So I don't think it's got any stabilization whatsoever, but I'm gonna kind of try and stabilize it with the swivel of the chair here. It's like if I try to pan it myself, it's just gonna be like, well, maybe it's got like digital stabilization, but I don't think it has optical stabilization. Okay, that microphone, super quiet for one. Two, it doesn't sound so great. It sounds kind of scratchy. Then again, so do the speakers. At $200, it's hard to fault it that much. All the little issues that I have with this phone, they're like, oh, well, this is what I would expect from like a $500 or $600 phone. I would expect these things to work, and I'd expect them to work well. With that being said, the idea that this phone will last for 4 years becomes a little dubious. Like, it's not necessarily that the phone itself won't last that long. It's that you won't last that long with the phone because you're not going to stick with it. So, yeah, I mean, I don't want to call it e-waste because, like, obviously it does have a reason to exist, and I'm not the person that this phone is marketed towards. However, I'm not sure who. Like, this is the kind of experience that I kind of got out of the Linux phones. Like, you can do stuff, but it's not there yet, you know? I think maybe if they gave it another couple of generations, they could get there at this price point. As it is right now, though, why? I think the processor's a lot of the problem. Like, everything is ticking the boxes for something that, like, for a budget phone and an environmentally conscious phone that you're gonna keep for a while, this chipset, this SoC is just not strong enough to last that 4 years. I would argue that it was obsolete, like, at the time it was released. That's the Teracube. Unfortunately, I really wish them the best. This is a good idea. Like, 4-year warranty, 4-year software support, like, that's great. I want to see more of that, and I don't want to put that down. It's just it's let down by the hardware.
Donate, please.
Yes, donate to Teamseas so we can get these out of the ocean. Anyway, Anyway, this was a disappointment, unfortunately, but not all short circuits are, so make sure you get subscribed and follow so you don't miss any unboxings like this one and not like this one.